Peace and blessings, y'all. So I'm here today. We're going to get ready to talk about Benny, and we're going to be talking about the Henny. I'm just kidding, not the Henny. But here go my man Larry Bird. Larry Bird got hit by my man doing a sky hook. That I used to love doing a sky hook. But we're not talking about him and his hook. We're talking about Benny today. Now, Benny just got interviewed by Karate Jesse. And Karate Jesse and him was talking about the hand walking and the power in the hand kickboxing style of Benny, not Bernie. That's another comedian. About Benny the Jet Urquidez. All right, I hope I said that right. But anyway, we're about to rock this mic. So there was a discussion on there when I looked at some of the clips that he was undefeated. And I came to tell you that might not be the case, that he was undefeated. It said 200. It said 200 wins, and he never lost. But I wanted to ask you if that was the case, and this is why I'm gonna ask you. You're gonna see why right now, because in a few seconds you're gonna see somebody else come on the screen. You know what I mean? And as we get to the mid part, almost to the ending of the video, you're gonna see him put Benny the Jet on his behind and let it shine. Yeah. I ain't talking about the moonshine, but he gonna put him on his behind. And listen, most likely he won that match that he was in. And if you know any info on that, you gonna let me know how it goes. So here is the guy who is fly. Jack Spade style. Jack. His name is Billy Jack Johnson. Y'all remember that joint? I'm gonna get you, sucker. Yeah, he got Benny. He put that Henny on Benny. It looked like Benny was on a Henny, cause he hit him nice. He hit him. You see how he hit? Look at them hits. That's right. Listen, this brother did the karate, the kickboxing. You see him slamming. Come on, he probably listened to a little Onyx. Slam. Did it. Watch this one. Boop. Boop. Bam. Come on. He probably was playing Onyx in his head. You heard? And get ready to see him take a few shots. And I didn't see the whole match, but I'm going to find it. And look. At him get at Benny the Jet. And Benny is a wonderful fighter. Of course, we already know he can hold it down. But we can't forget about Billy Jack Johnson. I didn't even hear too much about him. I heard of Jack Johnson, but this is Billy Jack. You heard? Put some respect on the Billy Jack style. Even if a lot of people haven't heard about the Billy Jack Johnson style. There he go right there, Benny the Jet. Boop! On your what? What? Get back up. Come on, I don't see him on them jet flying like Ric Flair. All right, maybe I need to play that again. Put some respect on that Billy Jack, on that Billy Jack style. Shout out to my man Bam, was also talking with Benny the Jet Urquidez, and he had a great time talking to him. Shout out to the Bam Master, doing phenomenal things. Make sure you go check him out. That's right, check him out. Bam Master Teacher on YouTube. And he's also here, Willie Johnson, on TikTok. For those who's on the TikTok and they like to rock. And once again, not Billy. We're talking about Bam now is doing a lot of great things in the martial arts. And if you didn't get your Point MMA free training, he got the 37. Listen, you get your training, all right? And if you didn't get it, just put it in the comment below. I need to get it so that I can send that to you. And don't forget to leave me your comments, on Benny the Jet versus Billy Jack. Come on. Billy Jack Johnson. Put some respect on his name. Come on. Sometimes we hear about certain people, but we don't hear about other people. I heard of Jack Johnson, but I think that there's a lot more people who need to hear about Jack Johnson. I don't even see Karate Jesse sharing a lot of those fighters, so you already know I'm gonna do it. If nobody else gonna do it, listen, somebody gotta do it. So shout out to the Billy Jack Johnson style. Shout out to the Band Master. Shout out to that brother who was holding it down for a while. Jack Johnson, that's right, one of the first, not the worst, but he was holding it down for a while. That's right, he had the style, the boxing. Brother came out of retirement, who was the best, and he said, listen, I drop you in any contest, and he dropped him. Listen, he dropped him like it was hot. You know, and you already know he had the flow. I think he could have made some better decisions with the choice of women, but you know, he did it how he wanted to do it, and that might have been part of his downfall too. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep down the stress, and don't forget, you're blessed and unstoppable. Peace.